Hello and welcome back to Realty Ready. This is lesson number 2 of the second module of part 2 of Realty Ready. In this lesson we will talk about Dubai real estate statistics and we will see some numbers about Dubai real estate through the years. The real estate business changes every day and we all know that we need to constantly adapt, but it's easier said than done. As we all know, the idea of physical space and location is changing. Nowadays, people can work and live anywhere. But how can we adapt to this? The answer is data, 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 and more data. You can find lots of information online, and it's quite easy to get overwhelmed by all the numbers and statistics that we are getting every day. But why is it so important to read data? Your customers are changing. The way they organize their professional and personal lives have an impact on the way your customers see their workspaces and houses. So let's look at some data and statistics about the Dubai real estate market through the years. On this slide, we can see number of registered real estate projects by registration date in Dubai from 2010 to 2020. For example, you can see that in 2010, 36 projects were registered, in 2011 only 5, 2012 60 projects were registered, 2013 68, 2014 has the biggest number of projects registered, which is 210. 2015 has 85, 2016 has 135 projects registered, 2017 154, in 2018 106 projects were registered, in 2019 70 projects, and in 2020 only 20 projects were registered. On this slide we can see number of finished projects by project completion date from 2010 to 2020. In 2010, 87 projects were completed. In 2011, 60 projects. In 2012, 47. In 2013, 58. 2014, 78 projects were completed. In 2015, 95 projects were completed, which is the highest number. In 2016, 70 projects were completed. In 2017, 65. In 2018, also 65. In 2019, 88. And in 2020, 66 projects were completed. On this slide, we can see number of real estate transactions annually from 2010 to 2020. With the blue line, we can see the value of those transactions, and the purple, we can see the numbers of transactions. For example, the least transactions were recorded in 2011, and the highest number of transactions were recorded in 2013, and but the value of the transactions was the highest in 2017. And as you can see, all those informations are provided by Dubai Land Department, and you can publicly see them on their website. On this slide, we can see the number of real estate transactions by type yearly from 2011 to 2020. And we can see with the brown color we have the cash sales transactions, and with the purple color are marked the mortgages. And as you can see, mostly in all the years the higher numbers are the cash sale transactions. And on the next slide we can see the value of real estate transactions by transactions type yearly. So we can see the same transactions, and here we can see their value. With purple we have the cash sales, and with brown color we have the mortgages, and here we can see that the numbers are a bit different. In some of the years we have higher number transactions by mortgage than cash sales, and In some years, we have bigger transactions with cash sales than mortgages. On this slide, we can see the number of US dollars 10 million plus homes sold in Dubai from 2010 to 2021. And as you can see, the highest number we have in 2021, which is more than 90 homes worth 10 million plus US dollars were sold in 2021 compared to the previous years. So we can see that the luxury homes are in big demand, and maybe you should focus more on selling luxury properties. On this slide, we can see property sales volume in the first half over the years of 2010 to 2022. So as you can see on the graph, in 2022, first half of the year, we had 43.2 thousand homes sold only in the first half of this year, which is way more than any other year from 2010. And on this slide, we can see the property sales value in the first half over the years from 2010 to 2022. And we have the same situation like with the number of the sales. We have in this first half of 2022 sold 115 billion worth of properties only in the first half of 2022, which is way more higher number than any of the past years recorded from 2010 until now. Now let's see the numbers through the years when it comes to lease contracts. On this slide, we can see the number of lease contracts by registration date from 2012 until 2020. As you can see, the number of registered contracts is increasing. On this slide, we can see the number of registered lease contracts by property usage through the years of 2012 to 2020. With the brownish color, we have the residential lease contracts registered, and with the purple color, we have the commercial lease contracts. And as you can see, in every year, we have much higher number for residential lease contracts. On this slide, we can see the number of registered lease contracts by contract status. With the brownish color, we can see all the new registered lease contracts, and with the purple color, we can see the contracts that were renewed in those years from 2012 to 2020. As you can see, in 2012, most of the contracts were new, and only a small percentage of 16% were renewed contracts. And in 2018, we have higher number for renewed contracts, which is 60%, and 40% were new rental contracts. On this slide, we can see Dubai's residential property cycles through the years, starting from 2002 until 2021. On the graph, we can see with yellow are all residential properties, with blue line are all apartments, with the pink one are shown the villas, and with the light blue are shown all prime residential properties. And with the dotted line, we can see the oil prices in the world through the years. And you can see how the numbers are going up and down. We have many ups and we have downs through all of those years, and a lot more supporting information which you can see and analyze at your own time. We will attach this whole presentation below the lesson, so you can analyze all these numbers and statistics whenever you want. And on the last slide, we can see the forecasts of global GDP growth rates from 2020 until 2026. With purple color, we can see the world. With yellow color, it's GCC countries. With red color, UAE. With the brownish color, developing economies. And with the blue color are developed economies in the world. With this forecast, we are finishing this lesson for today. As I already said, you can download the presentation below the lesson, so you can look at all the statistics and numbers and analyze them at your own time and whenever you want. As always, thank you for the attention and see you in the next lesson.